Hello friends, so today we will learn how to use AC of our car effectively during summer. As you know, during summer our car gets hot, and when the moment we step into our car we straight away start AC. Because when our car is parked in the sun, different kind of gases are stored in our car. And the moment when we start ACs, those gases are straight away blown away on our face, which sometimes can cause serious problem. So for this purpose, when we start our car, we have to pay full attention to these two buttons. One is external circulation and other is internal circulation. So first, when we start our car and then AC, we have to click on external circulation so that the gases which are stored inside the car are pushed out and the internal environment of the car becomes stable. So we have to click on the external circulation and leave it for 1 minute. And after 1 minute, we have to click on the internal circulation button, which will keep the air of the AC inside the car and make the car cooler and improve the internal environment of the car for us. So this is very easy and very useful information if you are using AC, especially in the summer season, because in the summer usually we use AC a lot, and it is important to know that how can we use it effectively.